No basket. Luke Monks. Charles brings the ball up. Shoots, misses. Rebound by Callin. Tom brings the ball up. Passes to Ben, 2 points. Barnsley. Charles is bringing the ball up again. Now travelled. Looked like he travelled, probably got away with it. Rebound Luke Monks. Luke Watford drive in, basket, ball straight over the top of the basket. Martin passes round the key. Tom shot, don't think he scored. A shot by Charles, ball ripped away by Tom. Luke Watford plays the cut. 2 points, foul on the shot. Didn't see who fouled, I'll look later. 1 to come for Luke Monks. Basket missed. Rebound Ben. Rebound 32, I think. So just the 2 point play for Barnsley. Ball in by Tom. Luke brings ball up. Tom takes over. Drives through. Misses the layup. Is there a shot clock? Is shot by Luke Monks. The kid's called Danny something, but I can't remember. Foul on Luke Monks, Luke Watford while shooting, so 2 points to come. But the sad thing was that shot was miles out, but anyway. Subs for timeout for Wakefield. First basket is good. 1 point, Luke Watford. Second basket is good. Not sure who got that rebound. Could be Martin, we'll check later. Oh, 2 points, Luke Monks. Rebound by Callin. Go on, Luke. That's your bread and butter. 2 points by Callin, I think. Check later. I'm trying to see who the foul was on, but I couldn't. Probably Tom. Rebound by Tom. Tom missed the foul, but missed the basket, but drew the foul. Big miss by Tom. Second one's good though. So just the 1 point for Tom there. Charles is bringing the ball up again. No basket for Charles, but he gets the rebound and gets a foul on the shot. So he should be able to get some points on the board now. But it's just shouted Tiger twice, so it obviously means that they're going to a nightclub after this. Two misses for two for Charles. Luke Watford blows the drive again. Come on, Luke, you were putting all of these in the other week. The ref not letting them run away with the ball without him touching it. Tom somehow came out with that ball. Ben still fails to get it in that hole. Doesn't get much easier than this, Barnsley. Come on, get that ball in the basket. Cal into the line. First one, straight in. First one good. Second one, also good. Another 2 points for Barnsley by Cal in there. Number 13, who's got the ball? Oh, he's bringing it up again. Wakefield running it around the key. Steal by Tom. All the way, Tom. 2 points. Actually, yes, it was Tom. Had that horrible feeling that it wasn't Tom there. Charles is now bringing them all up. Almost stolen by Tom again. Wolves somehow managed to... Oh no, they haven't retained possession. I thought they got away with that there, but they haven't. Oh no, it's a timeout for somebody. Timeout for Wolves, because they still have the jump ball. And the sideline put in. Ball in to continue the first quarter. Stolen by Wakefield, number 13, that Danny. Stolen back by Barnsley, points by Ben Minogue. It's an unfortunate series of events. Steal by Luke Monks by the looks of that. Layup by Tom, missed. Shot by somebody else, missed. Wakefield get the ball. Barnsley have to start making these. Unlucky. Rebound by Callum. Where's it been? Art in good position, but managed to get it out. 3 seconds, somebody. Foul and somebody, couldn't tell whom. Another 2 free shots for Callum. First basket missed. Second basket good. It's the 1 point there. Basket missed. Come on, Wakefield, score some baskets. Oh, unlucky Artin. Oh, well, Thomas Lindley rebounded there. Artin didn't quite have long enough arms for that pass. What's he shouting about? Oh, it's a sub for Wakefield. Two points for Wakefield. Yay, they're on the scoreboard. Rebound by number 11 there. It's probably Luke Watford, but I don't know yet. I'll work that one out later. Charles dribbles it into the number 17 and he scores. 4 points to Wakefield. Go Wakefield. Elliott on court now. Martin, make a decision. 2 points for Callum. Charles again bringing the ball up. Wakefield obviously suffering because Ruben's not available. Another sub, Tom and Luke Watford coming back on. Let's see who's coming off. Looks like it's Artin and somebody else. Elliott. No, Elliott's still on court. There's Tom Lindley. It's 2 to come. Don't see any fingers. First basket, lovely basket by Luke Monks there. Straight down the pipe. Can he do the same with the next? No! Callum rebounds, 2 points for Callum. So 1 point for Luke Watford, 2 points for Callum out of that play. Another missed jumper by ball removed, stolen by Elliott, I think. Callum posting up. Now Tom posting up. Good effort by Tom there. Gets the 2 points, the 2 free throws. Can you do better than the last time? Air ball, not good. Come on, shake it off, Tom. Basket's good. So 1 out of 2 there. Ball stolen and 2 points for Tom. Isn't that better than getting both free throws? Basket missed by somebody. Luke Monk's going for the 2 points. Nice layup. Tom-Luke combination there. So fruitful in previous games. Charles, 2 attempts, both missed. A little bit aggressive on poor wee Thomas. Anyway, Thomas is here to learn the hard way. And Charles throws the ball away. Miscommunication there. I had to throw the ball into Callan. That was a risky pass. 2 points to Callan. I think that's the